I never suspected such things could be. My God, what are you doing? That's odd. Whoa, I've got to get out of here. No, stay back. Gordon! Ah. Shut up. Be quiet. I apologize. What? You're leaving me here? Don't you think we should wait here for a while?
Nope.
I don't suppose you'd reconsider.
Don't bet on it.
Please! Don't be ridiculous. I'm slowing you down, am I?
Catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
You have any idea what's going on?
Have you ever seen anything like this?
I hear something.
Would you be... Excuse me, Gordon. Rescued at last. Freeman, you fool! I predicted all of this, you know. All of it.
Open fire!
Oh, my.
Man, did you see that shot?
I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you? Have I been
Did you understand that last announcement? You suspect some of the test subterfuge behind this whole
what I'm
analysis?
thinking? As I...
Hey, let me out of here!
Hello? Oh! Oh, my. Oh, no! Excuse me, Gordon. Now, where did I leave that shutdown procedure chart? No, I can't be bothered right now. Right, this is as far as I go. Ah, wouldn't it be fantastic to get some pure readings for a change? Big day today, Rick. Oh, no. Whoa! Oh, dear! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, my. My goodness. Hello, Freeman. I'm up here. Oh! Oh, my God! Ah! Oh, no. Oh! Please. Ah! No! Can't hold on much longer. Ah!
Die, you bloodsucker!
Oh, no. Whoa! Ah! Ah! I've got to get out of here.
We gotta get topside.
Shut up. Don't shoot. I'm with the science team.
Watch it.
Fool! Sorry, I'm leaving now. Put that down. It's a prototype. Whoa! Oh, no. Ah! Oh, dear. Ah! 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 Fascinating. Are you sure you checked the Eigen attenuators? It's inconclusive. Is anyone else getting hungry? Why, just look at those peculiar... Ah, head crab. Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. Have you ever seen anything like this? How interesting. Just look at that. That's odd. I couldn't even venture a guess. Ah! Ah! No! Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately. Ah! Hello there. Is anyone else getting hungry? Almost there, Freeman. Glad to oblige a fellow scientist. Hello. Were you in weapons research too? Hello. I hope those people in the lab... Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. Good morning, Gordon. Big day today, Freeman. I wonder if I should Have you seen my coffee cup? I'd give my right hemisphere for a few hours of sleep.
Papa? Not it! No, Jeremy, you can't eat that. Here's a massage technique I use on old bags like your mom.
Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs. Howdy! I am Cornholio. Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro. How could she do this to me? Gotta hype myself up. Yeah! Did I do it? Excuse me, I was sitting there. I'm allergic to myself. Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out. You're 5 minutes late. Wait, Papa! First exercise, Papa, please! It's called Jump the Chump. So far, you are the chump. No, not again. Pick up the pace, pussyfoot. Dinner's ready. Oh, ow, what the? I'm telling Mom. No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever. Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me? Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door? Wake up, Jacob. Help! You're sleep drowning again. Help! Jacob. Help! Oh, for fluff's sake. Help! Hey, Daryl. Help! Throw him in the litter box. Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy. I got it.
It's mine.
No, I got it cornered over here. So I wound up and I reared back and then I punched him in his fluffing face. What kind of hairless kitten is that? Ah! One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth? Wait up, guys! I'm coming! I've done it. I captured a cloud. Would you look at this? It's in my paw. It's a freaking cloud. Ew, it's wet. Barbara, call the priest now.
I have a demon.
He's starting to take control.
Shut up and act like a horse.
No, you don't scan it twice. I just said that. Talk about my mama again, Derek. Yo, mama, so fat. Timothy, try this tuna broth. Too salty. Ugh, I'm gonna leave this here. I told him, keep his paws off Darlene. He's behind me, isn't he? I can feel his breath. Our entire litter is orange. All right, it's time to get back on my New Year's resolutions and burn some of these fat calories. Oh man, this is exhausting, you know. I just lack the necessary meowtivation. Breaking news. Meow Mix has filed bankruptcy. No! Duck. Goose! Oh, shit, Daryl! Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey. Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up?
No.
Don't lie to me, boy!
You want some chips?
Yes.
For God's sake, open...
Hello. Greetings. Donuts. This should help. No, please! Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Oh dear! Interesting. Sorry, I'm leaving now. Oh no! Oh no! You smell what I smell? Hello? What is that stench?
You have any idea what's...
Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. No! It's good to see... Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a... What a peculiar... Get back! Are you 100% sure that theory of yours is correct? No! I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you? Do you know who ate all the donuts?